Okay, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Beginner teaches Python to himself. So, first step we have to take this Python software. For that, you go to your browser and type Python and Python download. It will take you to the Python official website. See this python.org/download. So now the latest Python 3.8.2 is available. Hit on that one and click save. It will start downloading. Finished. After that you have to click run. Okay, so it's very simple and you are doing many downloads, so that should not be a problem for you. uh, well, then go to your download, and since I already have it, I'll click for modify and install. It is done. So after this, you click on this one. You will see this Python module manual and Python idle. So this is important for us. Python idle is important for us. So we'll go to this Python idle. Uh, this is Python IDE. IDE means integrated development environment. So I don't know much about that, so I'll not go in that, but I will drag this to create a shortcut. I'll drag it to create a shortcut, and that's all we need. So after that, simply click on this shortcut. It will window will open. This is Python interpreter mode. There is one more thing. If you go to file and if you click on the new, a new file will open. This is program mode. Here you write anything. You have to save it and then run it. Then you can do your Python programs. But on this interpreter mode, just you type and enter and immediately you'll get the output. So uh, we'll begin with strings in our next video. So if you have done this much, that's enough. Just you don't need internet hereafter. You can go to airplane mode and click airplane mode, and even I will request you to put your mobile also to airplane mode to avoid social distractions, and then you can focus on this Python programming, and believe me, it's very easy.